just thought I'd do a quick video on Dad's latest toy, camera drone. This is not a professional piece of kit by any stretch, but it's probably just a bit beyond a toy. I'd say it was dangerous for young children. It's age 14 plus. It's a Stone HS510. Bought yesterday from Amazon. I've had a quick 5-minute test flight today. It was a bit too windy, if I'm honest, and I'm very inexperienced as well. So I'm looking forward to play with it a bit more. Just thought I'd put a quick video up in case anyone can catch him in the Black Friday sale. So we get a nice hard shell case, plenty of padding, controller, accessories for the extra spare blades. I think I'm going to be needing them. I've been a bit of a disaster with it. Obviously the drone itself and the arms fold out. Does take a memory card. Cameras at the front. Yeah, we had a quick 10-minute flight. So just something to point out. In the UK, I was watching a few YouTube videos about it, and there's plenty of people doing drone reviews. In the UK, we only get the one battery, so it's a pretty good bargain price. I think I paid got a discount, got paid £140 for the drone, but you get one battery, and the batteries seem quite expensive. I think a new battery is looking at £60. This battery is supposed to last 15 minutes in the air, by all accounts. Two batteries, perhaps the minimum. Anyway, I'll show you the footage. So, full disclosure, first flight, I sat it on there and I pressed the launch button. It drifted towards and then hit the slide there, and then I had to grab it. Then it was trying to rev up in the sky, and I had to grab it. It was trying to slice my fingers off. I had to grab it and turn it off. So like I said, not a toy. And then we decided to take it on a bit of an open field, and that's the next footage that you'll see.